Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in my inbox. Can I trust the Stash app? It's a popular investment app, promising to make investing easy and accessible. But is it really as trustworthy as it seems? Let's find out. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand a bit about Stash. It's a robo-advisor, meaning it uses algorithms to suggest investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those who have never invested before. But is that simplicity a trade-off for security and reliability? Key features of Stash. Fractional shares. One of Stash's standout features is the ability to buy fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. This means you can invest in companies like Apple or Tesla without having to shell out thousands of dollars for a whole share. Auto-invest. Stash offers an auto-invest feature that allows you to set up recurring contributions to your investment account. This makes it easy to build wealth over time, even if you only have a small amount to invest each month. Stash's Stockback Rewards. This feature allows you to earn rewards on your purchases at participating retailers. These rewards can then be used to invest in stocks and ETFs. Security and privacy. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, security. Stash uses industry-standard security measures to protect your personal and financial information. This includes encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. However, it's important to note that no online platform is completely immune to cyber threats. Fees and costs. Stash has a tiered fee structure. While the basic plan is free, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan to access certain features, like fractional shares and unlimited ETFs. It's crucial to carefully consider the fees associated with each plan to ensure that they align with your investment goals and budget. Customer support. When it comes to investing, having reliable customer support is essential. Stash offers both phone and email support. However, some users have reported mixed experiences with their customer service. It's always a good idea to research customer reviews and testimonials before making a decision. Real-world examples. To get a better sense of Stash's performance, let's look at some real-world examples. We can examine the investment portfolios of users who have been using Stash for a significant period of time. This will give us a better understanding of the app's track record and how it has performed in various market conditions. Alternatives to Stash. While Stash is a popular option, it's not the only game in town. There are several other investment apps and platforms available that offer similar features and benefits. It's important to do your research and compare different options to find the one that best suits your needs. So, can you trust the Stash app? The answer is, it depends. Stash is a legitimate investment platform that offers a user-friendly experience and several valuable features. However, it's important to carefully consider the fees, security measures, and customer support before making a decision. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Stash is right for you is to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons based on your individual circumstances. Have you used Stash before? What has your experience been like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're still unsure about whether to invest with Stash, consider trying out a free trial or starting with a small investment to see how it works for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.